Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I just received some new product from Paper Rose Studio, so I thought I would share it with you. I have two of their new collections, Lakeside Memories, Poppy Garden, and I also received some of their new card bases. I'll start off by showing you Lakeside Memories. This is a beautiful collection, perfect for masculine cards. If you still need to make a Father's Day card or you want some more masculine cards on hand, this collection is perfect. I received both of the 6x6 paper packs, the Lakeside Memories and also Lakeside Memories Basics. I'm showing you the Lakeside Memories first. There are 18 double-sided pattern papers, gorgeous colors, beautiful designs, and I love all the sheets with cut-apart images and sentiments. Both of the paper packs are also available in 12 by 12 size. So if you like the larger size, that is an option. This sheet is so unique. It has 3 different long, narrow scenes. Looks like a sunset, maybe a sunrise. So pretty. So now I'll show the designs on the back side. More tone-on-tone, muted patterns. And it's always nice to have some of those to mix with the busier designs. So there are the 12 different designs included in the Lakeside Memories 6x6 paper collection. Next is the Lakeside Memories Basics collection. You can use this collection on its own, or you can use it to mix and match with the Lakeside Memories, since the colors all coordinate beautifully. What I love about the Lakeside Memories Basics, it's all plaids and polka dots. The first side features 6 different plaid designs, and the back side has the polka dots, and the colors all coordinate beautifully together. I think this collection alone is perfect for masculine cards. You could simply add an image and a sentiment and your card is finished. And Paper Rose has lots of great images that will work with both of the paper collections. One of the coordinating packs is their Lakeside Memories cut-aparts. If you like fussy cutting, this is a great set. It includes 18 single-sided 6x8 sheets. There are tons of images and sentiments, and you'll get 3 of each design. I love the variety of images included in the pack. There are lots of outdoor scenes with sunsets, sunrises, butterflies, ducks, dogs, lots of trees, cabins. This really is the perfect collection for masculine cards or for anyone that loves the outdoors. And it's so nice that with the cut-apart packs, you have 3 of each sheet, so tons and tons of images and sentiments to use. If you're not a fan of fussy cutting, no worries. Paper Rose has their Embossed die cut packs. I have 2 that coordinate with the collection. I'll start with Lakeside Memories tags and tickets. Their embossed die cut packs include 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. So no fussy cutting required. You simply pop out the images and sentiments. They're attached by just a few small tabs. And all of the pieces have this gorgeous, glossy, embossed detail. After I pop out all the die cuts, I like to use a pair of scissors and trim off that teeny tiny tab. The next set is Lakeside Memories Embossed die cuts. There aren't any sentiments in this pack, but lots of gorgeous images. There are more of those sunrise, sunset scenes, butterflies, ducks, more of the dogs. I love the natural outdoor colors in this set, and the embossed detail really makes the images pop. With the cut-apart pack and 2 embossed die cut packs, I will have plenty of images and sentiments to use with the pattern paper. There are several other products that coordinate with this collection. And I will add links for the full collections in the description box below if you want to check it out. Next up is the Poppy Garden collection. Again, I have both of the 6x6 paper packs. These are also available in 12x12. I'm starting with Poppy Garden. This is another beautiful collection from Paper Rose. I love this first sheet with all the cut apart images. There are several sheets with 6x6 scenes. You can cut part of it down if you don't make large 6x6 cards, or you can simply use the back side. Here's another cut apart sheet with images and sentiments. Now I'll flip the papers over so you can see the designs on the back side. A few smaller designs and also some tone-on-tone watercolor looking patterns. So there are the 12 different designs included in the original Poppy Garden collection. And I also have Poppy Garden Basics. Both collections work just fine on their own, or you can use the two together, since the colors and designs all coordinate. This very first design is absolutely stunning. Since it is a 6x6 sheet, a little difficult to use for A2 size cards, but you can trim it down. I grabbed an A2 size card base, laying it on top, just showing that it is possible to still use that scene after it's been cut down. And all you would need to add is a sentiment and that card is finished. Here's one of my favorite cut apart sheets in this pack. I love the beautiful scenes, and they are larger cut apart, 2 by 3 inches. There's another beautiful scene. This one you could cut just that corner and feature on a card. Of course, you can always flip over the paper and use the lovely designs on the back side. I really like that they included 3 different gingham patterns and also a couple of wood grains. I think those designs work perfectly with the rest of the collection. I received 3 of the embossed die cut packs that go with the Poppy Garden collection. And just like the Lakeside Memories, there are other products that I'm not showing that go with the collections. And I will have a link for the full Poppy Garden collection listed below. The first set I'm showing you is Poppy Garden Embossed die cuts. No sentiments in this set, but lots of gorgeous images. We have flowers, dogs, bugs. There are some windowsills. Here's a little fox, birds, butterflies. So many fun images that coordinate beautifully with the pattern paper. The next set is Poppy Garden Tags and Tickets, and these are also embossed die cuts. And all of the embossed die cut packs include 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. This one's really fun. It includes sentiments. I love the little buttons. Those will be great for embellishments. This set includes some larger scene images. There are tags, banners, several sentiments. Another great set that works beautifully with the pattern paper, or you could use it on its own with solid cardstock. And the last set I received is a Poppy Garden Basics embossed die cuts. No sentiments in this set, but lots of gorgeous images, and the colors are so vibrant. Look at all the beautiful reds. There are several scenes, butterflies, flowers, there's a bicycle. I'm really looking forward to adding these images on some cards. I have one more product from the Poppy Garden collection. It's the Quick Cards Collection Pack. If you've never used their Quick Cards Collection Packs before, I highly recommend them. You can quickly create a bunch of beautiful cards with them. Inside the pack, there's an inspiration sheet, shows several different card examples, and you can create all of these with the contents inside the pack, although it does not include the card bases. Now you can follow those examples or step it up by adding other embellishments or cardstock. The pack also includes 4 sheets of 6x8 embossed pop-out die cuts. Lots of images and tons of sentiments. And I love that they include sentiments that you can use throughout the year. Thinking of you, get well, happy birthday. And if the 4 sheets of embossed die cuts aren't enough, you can purchase just those 4 sheets individually. I love having the second embossed die cut pack when using the Quick Cards collection, since there is a ton of pattern paper. There are 18 double-sided 6x8 pattern paper sheets. And what's really nice, you can cut it in half to get 2 backgrounds for A2 size cards. You'd need to cut off 3/4 of an inch, then cut the sheet in half so your background would be 4 inches by 5¼ inches. The designs have the look of another pattern paper strip layered on cardstock, but it's all one sheet. On the back side, there are more tone-on-tone designs. There's a wood grain, some watercolor looking designs, a few ginghams, beautiful colors, and I love how everything coordinates together. With 2 beautiful collections, it's so hard to figure out which one to use first. I think with Father's Day right around the corner, I'll start with the Lakeside Memories. The final products I received from Paper Rose are 3 different sets of card bases. There's rectangle window tri-fold card bases, oval window tri-fold card bases, and also 4x6 scalloped card bases with tags and pockets. I'll show you the rectangle window tri-fold card base first. There are 10 included in the pack, and it's a nice heavyweight cardstock, 300 GSM. These are A2 size, so 4¼ inches by 5½ inches. If you watch my videos, you know I basically only make A2 size cards and just the traditional fold. So this is something very new to me, but I'm really excited to try these out. The card bases are pre-scored, so they're super easy to fold. And when I do make cards with them, I will use a bone folder to get a nice flat crease. In this video, I'm just showing the new products. So here's a look at the oval window tri-fold card base. So same concept, it's already pre-scored. The oval cutout would be the front, and you can have images, sentiments inside that oval. And what's nice about the tri-fold, you end up with 1 extra panel to decorate. This is a great way to use up more of your pattern paper and embossed die cuts. The last set is a bit different. This is the 4x6 scalloped card bases with tags and pockets. There are 2 sets. So you have the main card base, a pocket, and a tag. It's hard to see on the video since the paper's white, but it does have those pre-scored lines, and you'll fold them to create the little folio. Here's the pocket. There are 3 sides that you would fold in and then adhere. So you can put this on the inside of the folio. And then that longer scallop piece, the tag, tucks right inside the pocket. This is a really cute design. I think it'll be fun to decorate. And you could also put a gift card inside the pocket. So there are the 3 new card-based designs from Paper Rose Studio. Lots of fun new products, and if you are interested in anything I showed or you want to check out other items that coordinate with the new collections, I do have links in the description box below. Paper Rose is located in Australia, and they do ship their products internationally, but you can also purchase them here in the US, and I have links for both locations listed below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.